Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rati Kushwaha. I hope you are doing great today. I warmly welcome each one of you to this insightful session. This video is for BBA MBA student, for faculty and for someone who are passionate about understanding and internal analysis and its tools in strategic management that drive organizational success. You are absolutely in the right place. Let's begin this exciting learning experience. So stay focused, think strategically and join me actively throughout this session. Internal analysis in strategic management. Today I am going to explore the essential tools of internal analysis in strategic management as SWOT analysis, video analysis, value chain analysis, RBV analysis, core competency analysis, gap analysis, OCAT analysis, McKinsey 7S framework, organizational culture analysis, financial ratio analysis as powerful framework that help organization identify strength, overcome weakness and building lasting competitive advantage. Now, definition of internal analysis. Internal analysis means studying the organization from inside to understand its capabilities and limitations for strategic planning. इसमें कहा गया है कि इसमें संगठन के आंतरिक वातावरण की जांच करनी एक प्रक्रिया है ताकि उसकी खूबियां, कमजोरियां, संसाधनों और क्षमताओं को समझा जा सके. It helps determine what the organization can do effectively and where improvements are needed. In this image, you can see main areas of internal analysis. First one is strength. What are the strength? Competitive advantage, unique capabilities that help the organization outperform competitors, a skilled workforce required, employees with strong knowledge and expertise, improve productivity and innovation, strong brand reputation, positive market image builds customer trust and loyalty. बाजार में सकारात्मक छवि ग्राहकों का विश्वास और निष्ठा बढ़ाती है. Efficient production system. It should be well organized operation, reduce cost and increase output quality. For an example, a company with advanced technology, that is its strength. Now moving towards weaknesses, internal limitations, organizational deficiency that reduce effectiveness or performance. Lack of funds, अपर्याप्त वित्तीय संसाधन विकास और रणनीतिक पहलों को सीमित करते हैं. Poor management, ineffective leadership that weakens decision making and operational success. Outdated technology, old systems reduce competitiveness and operational efficiency. For an example, high employee turnover can be a weakness. Third one, resources, financial resources, human resources, physical assets and technologies. While talking about the financial resources, available capital supports business operation and expansion. Talking about human resources, employees' skills and capabilities that drive organizational performance. Physical assets, मशीनरी, इमारतें या उनका इक्विपमेंट उत्पादन तथा सेवा वितरण में सहायता करते हैं. Act as physical assets. Technology, modern technological system that enhance efficiency and innovation. It helps identify whether the resources are sufficient to achieve goals. Next, core competencies, innovation capability, ability to develop new ideas, product or process. Strong brand reputation, recognized market credibility creates competitive strength. Moving towards efficient production system, कह सकते हैं कि कम लागत में अच्छी गुणवत्ता का उत्पादन संगठन के प्रदर्शन को मजबूत बनाता है. Moving towards superior customer service, where excellent customer support increases satisfaction and loyalty. Human skill resources, talented employees that contribute to sustained organizational success. So it's all we can say that unique capabilities that provide competitive advantage. For an example, superior customer service or innovative product design. Fifth one, value chain. What are the value chains? Inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Inbound logistics, effective management of raw material and supplier relationships. Operation, efficient conversion of inputs into final product or services. Outbound logistics, timely distribution of product to customers. Marketing and sales, strategic promotion and selling to generate revenue. Service, बिक्री के बाद का सहयोग ग्राहक संतुष्टि और उन्हें बनाए रखने में सुधार करता है. It includes production, marketing, logistic and customer service. The last one, organizational culture. Values, leadership style and employee behavior are organizational culture. Where we talk about the values, it's a core belief guide organizational decision and behavior. Leadership style, management approach influences employee motivation and performance. Employee behavior, कार्यस्थल पर कर्मचारियों का व्यवहार काम की गुणवत्ता और उनके संगठन की सफलता का प्रभाव डालता है. It actually assess company values and leadership style with employee behavior. A strong culture that improve and naturally productivity and strategy execution as well. Now, purpose of internal analysis. It identifies strength to maximize. आंतरिक विश्लेषण संगठन की मजबूत क्षमताओं, संसाधनों और विशेष योग्यताओं का पहचानने में मदद करता है ताकि उनकी सही उपयोग, उनके प्रदर्शन बेहतर बनाया जा सके, बाजार में स्थिति मजबूत हो और लंबे समय तक विकास में अवसर मिलते रहें. It identify weaknesses to improve. It enable organizations to detect internal deficiencies, resource gap, operational efficiencies, managerial limitation that required corrective action to strengthen overall effectiveness and reduce strategic vulnerability. Build competitive advantage by understanding and utilizing unique internal strength while addressing weaknesses. Internal analysis supports the development of distinctive capabilities that allow the organization to perform competitors and sustain long-term success. अपने विशेष ताकतों का सही उपयोग और कमजोरियों में सुधार करके संगठन प्रतियोगियों से बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर सकता है और लंबे समय तक सफलता प्राप्त कर सकता है. Support better strategic decision. Internal analysis provides critical insights into organizational capabilities and limitations. It allows management to make informed, realistic, and effective strategic decisions regarding planning, resource allocation, growth, and future direction. Now let's understand deep strategic function of each tool. First is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis focusing on strengths and weaknesses. SWOT helps organizations systematically identify internal strength that can be leveraged for competitive advantage and weakness that require improvement. It supports strategic planning by aligning internal capabilities with future opportunities, with minimizing internal limitations. रणनीतिक योजना के लिए आंतरिक शक्तियां और कमजोरियों की पहचान करता है. SWOT analysis is strengths and weakness. What are the strength and weakness? The strength would be a strong brand, a skilled workforce, advanced technology, efficient operations, financial stability, and weaknesses may be poor management, lack of funds, outdated system, low productivity, limited resources. Purpose of a SWOT analysis. Basically identify internal advantages. SWOT help organization systematically recognize internal strength as a skilled workforce, strong resources, and operational capabilities. Recognize internal limitations. SWOT identifies weaknesses that may hinder organizational growth, productivity, or strategic execution. Recognizing these limitations allows management to implement corrective improvements. Improve strategy. SWOT provides a realistic understanding of internal conditions, enabling more practical strategic planning. Hence, we can say that यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि रणनीतियां संगठन की वास्तविक क्षमताओं के अनुरूप है. Next, build competitive advantage by maximizing strengths and minimizing weaknesses. SWOT supports stronger market positioning. In simple formula for SWOT, we can say that for strength helps to maximize and weaknesses helps to improve. Coming towards the video analysis. Video analysis is used to determine whether an organization resources and capabilities can create sustained competitive advantage. It evaluates its resources are valuable, rare, difficult to imitate, and supported by the organization, helping managers prioritize strategic assets. कह सकते हैं कि स्थायी प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक लाभ हेतु संसाधनों का मूल्यांकन करता है. V stands for does it create customer value. R stands for is it unique or uncommon, rarity we can say. I is for is it difficult to copy? Imitability यानी नकल करने की क्षमता. O is the business organized to use it well. Organization. So purpose of video analysis: identify strategic resources. Video evaluates which resources and capabilities provide real strategic value, build competitive advantage. Video identifies valuable, rare, and difficult to imitate resources that competitors cannot easily replicate. This supports sustainable competitive positioning, improve decision making. Video helps manager prioritize investment in strategically important resources. It supports smarter resource allocation and capability development. यह संसाधनों का सही उपयोग करने और क्षमताओं को बेहतर बनाने में मदद करता है. Strengthen long-term success by focusing on sustainable advantages. Rio supports enduring business growth. It helps organizations maintain strategic relevance over time. Simple formula, we can say that valuable plus rare plus hard to copy plus organized equals to competitive advantage. Moving towards value chain analysis. Coming towards value chain analysis, this tool analyzes each internal business activity from inbound logistics to customer service, whether to determine where value is created, costs can be reduced, and operational efficiency can be removed. Basically, it identifies strategic activity that enhance customer satisfaction and profitability. कह सकते हैं कि आंतरिक गतिविधियां दक्षता और मूल्य निर्माण के में सुधार करता है. What are the other primary activities towards value chain analysis? As we talk for inbound logistics, that may be raw materials and methods of storage, operation. What are the production process? Outbound logistics, distribution and delivery, marketing and sales, promotions, selling, service, customer support. It contains supportive activities of infrastructure, human resources, technology, as well as procurement. Now, purpose of value chain analysis. It improves efficiency. Value chain analysis identifies inefficiencies within internal activities and operation. उत्पादकता के लिए प्रक्रियाओं का सुव्यवस्थित करने में मदद करता है. Reduce cost. It highlights unnecessary expenses across operational activities. This allows organizations to lower cost while maintaining value. It creates customer value. By optimizing activities, firm can improve product quality and service delivery. It enhances customer value, strengthens satisfaction and loyalty. It builds competitive advantage. Efficient operation combined with superior value creation improve marketing competitiveness. This supports differentiation in cost leadership strategy. In simple formula, we can say efficient activities with customer value that creates competitive advantage. Towards RBV analysis, resource-based view. Resource-based view focuses on evaluating internal resources as financial, human, physical, or technological. It is to determine which assets are strategic and can drive long-term success. It emphasizes building strategies based on unique internal strength rather than reacting to external condition. दीर्घकालिक सफलता हेतु रणनीतिक संसाधन का आकलन करता है. What are the keys of RBV analysis? When we talk for financial, it may be funds and investment. Towards the humans, it may be skill and talent. Physical, equipment and facilities. Moving towards the technology, system and innovation. Purpose of RBV analysis. It identifies valuable resources. RBV helps determine which internal resources are strategically significant. यह उन संपत्तियों पर केंद्रित है जो निरंतर सफलता दिला सकती है. It builds long-term advantage. Unique resources form the basis of durable competitive advantage. RBV ensures strategies are built on internal strength. Strengthen internal capabilities. RBV promotes the development of organizational competencies. A stronger capability that improve overall strategic performance. Support strategic growth. Resource-focused planning support expansion and innovation. In simple formula, we can say that unique resources plus effective use equals to sustainable competitive advantage. Now heading towards core competency analysis. Core competency analysis identifies the organization's unique capabilities, expertise, or technologies that competitors cannot easily replicate. Its purpose is to strengthen these competencies to achieve sustainable differentiation and market leadership. संगठन की विशिष्ट क्षमताओं की पहचान करता है और उसे अलग बनाती है. Core competency analysis identifying unique organizational strength. What are the key core competencies? Innovation, creating new ideas and product development. For brand reputation, customer trust and recognition. Production efficiency, quality with low cost. Customer service, strong customer satisfaction. A skilled workforce, expertise and talent. What are the purpose of core competency analysis? It identifies unique strength, build competitive advantage, differentiate from competitors. So, identifying unique strength, core competency analysis reveals the organization's most distinctive capabilities. These competencies often become the foundation of strategic success. Build competitive advantage, unique competencies differentiate the organization in the marketplace. It helps maintain stronger competitive positioning. Now, differentiate from competitors. Core competencies create uniqueness that competitors may struggle to imitate. इससे बाजार में पहचान और ग्राहकों को की पसंद पड़ती है. It supports long-term growth. Strengthening core competencies promotes sustainable expansion. It also ensures strategic growth is built on lasting strength. In simple formula, we can say that unique capabilities plus strategic use that makes sustainable success. In all, summarizing, core competency analysis help organization focus on what they do best to outperform competitors and achieve sustainable strategic success. Now for gap analysis. Gap analysis measures the difference between current organizational performance and desired future goals. It helps identify performance deficiencies, strategic shortcomings, operational gaps, enabling corrective planning and resource prioritization. वर्तमान प्रदर्शन और लक्ष्यों के बीच अंतर की पहचान करता है. Gap analysis is basically to measure performance gap for strategic improvement. What would be the key areas for current performance, present results, desired goals that may be future targets, performance gap, what would be the difference between current and desired state, improvement plan that can be corrective strategies. Now, purpose of gap analysis. Identify unique strength. Gap analysis help recognize existing organizational strength that can be further utilized for better performance. It builds a competitive advantage, supports strategic improvement that strengthen the organization's market opinion. Differentiate from competitors. Gap analysis identifies area where improvements can create uniqueness and better competitive positioning. Support long-term growth. It helps organization close strategic gaps to achieve sustainable development and future success. Identify performance gap. Gap analysis measures the difference between current performance and desired objectives. Improve strategic execution. हम कह सकते हैं कि यह कार्य में कमियों को पहचानता है जिससे रणनीतियों को बेहतर तरीके से लागू किया जा सकता है. It aligns goals with outcome. Gap analysis ensure organizational actions. It support continuous improvement. समय समय पर मूल्यांकन करने से लगातार सुधार, बदलाव के अनुसार ढलने की क्षमता और बेहतर कार्य प्रणाली विकसित होती है. In simple formula, we can say current state that creates gap and moving towards the strategic action results at desired success. Now, OCAT analysis, Organizational Capacity Assessment Tool. OCAT assesses organizational capacity in leadership. OCAT संगठन के नेतृत्व क्षमता, गवर्नेंस, प्रबंधन व्यवस्था, ऑपरेशनल सिस्टम, उनकी कार्य प्रणाली, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, उनके मानव संसाधन एंड सर्विस डिलीवरी, सेवा प्रदान करने की क्षमता का मूल्यांकन करता है. Its purpose is to evaluate whether the organization has sufficient internal capability to execute strategies effectively. OCAT analysis basically evaluating organizational capacity for strategic success. What are the key areas of OCAT analysis? Leadership for direction and decision making, governance for policies and accountability, human resources for skills and workforce strength, operation for systems and processes, financial management for resource utilization. Now, purpose of OCAT analysis. measure organizational capacity or can assess internal capacity across leadership, system and operation. It determines readiness for strategic implementation, improve operational effectiveness. It identifies organizational weaknesses that reduce efficiency, improve operational effectiveness. It identifies organizational weaknesses that reduce efficiency. Improvements can then be targeted for better performance. Strengthen strategic implementation. मजबूत आंतरिक क्षमता रणनीतिक पहलुओं के सफल क्रियान्वयन में सहायक होती है। ओकैट यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि संगठन परिचालन की दृष्टि से तैयार है। इट सपोर्ट्स सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ, कैपेसिटी डेवलपमेंट क्रिएट्स स्ट्रॉन्गर लॉन्ग टर्म परफॉर्मेंस। दिस सपोर्ट्स scalable and sustainable strategic performance. In simple formula, we can say that a strong capacity plus effective system that construct organizational success. Now, very good McKinsey 7S framework. This framework ensures internal organizational alignment by analyzing 7 interconnected elements as a strategy, structure, systems, shared values, skills, style, and staff. It helps organization improve coordination, manage system, and enhance strategic execution. यह संगठन के मुख्य तत्वों के बीच सही तालमेल सुनिश्चित करता है। McKinsey 7S framework, it ensuring internal organizational alignment. What are the key elements of McKinsey 7S framework? For strategy, this is for long-term plan. Structure for organizational design. System for process and procedure. Shared value for core beliefs. Skill for employee capabilities. Style for leadership approach. Staff for human resources. Heading towards purpose of McKinsey 7S framework, it aligns internal elements. McKinsey 7S ensures all organizational components work cohesively. Alignment improves strategic consistency and performance. It improves organizational effectiveness also. यह सही तालमेल, प्रोडक्टिविटी और कोऑर्डिनेशन को बढ़ाता है। यह रणनीति के सुचारू क्रियान्वयन में सहायक होता है। It supports strategic implementation. This framework strengthens the internal environment for executing plan. It ensures strategy is effectively translated into action. It manages change successfully. McKinsey 7S is highly effective during organizational transformation. It ensures all internal factors that adjust together. In simple formula, align 7S elements that constitute structured and strategic success. Now, most important, organizational culture analysis. यह उपकरण संगठन के मूल्यों, विश्वासों, नेतृत्व व्यवहार और कर्मचारियों के आपसी संबंधों का अध्ययन करता है ताकि समझा जा सके कि सांस्कृतिक रणनीतिक सफलता को कैसे प्रभावित करती है। It helps identify cultural strength or barriers that may impact implementation and long-term adaptability. Organizational culture analysis, basically for understanding culture for strategic success. The key areas for organizational culture analysis, leadership style, employee behavior, communication, and work environment. Leadership style, that may be management behavior, employee behavior, working attitude and conduct. For communication, what are the mode and methods of information flow, work environmental, organizational atmosphere. Towards purpose of organizational culture analysis, it basically understand organizational culture. यह संगठन के मूल्यों, नियमों और व्यवहार को समझने में मदद करता है जो कार्य प्रदर्शन को प्रभावित करते हैं। यह मैनेजर्स को संगठन की सांस्कृतिक ताकतों और कमियों को पहचानने में सहायता करता है। इट इंप्रूव एम्प्लॉय परफॉर्मेंस, पॉजिटिव कल्चर सपोर्ट मोटिवेशन एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी. Cultural analysis identify areas requiring behavioral improvement. It supports strategy execution. Strong cultural alignment improves implementation success. Culture directly influences strategic outcomes. Strengthen adaptability. Adaptive cultures as respond more effectively to change. Cultural analysis help organization remain flexible. In simple formula, we can say that strong culture plus aligned behavior equals to strategic success. Proceeding further, financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio analysis evaluates profitability, liquidity, solvency, and efficiency to measure the financial strength of the organization. वित्तीय स्थिति और रणनीतिक वित्तीय प्रदर्शन का मूल्यांकन करता है. The purpose of Financial ratio analysis is to support a strategic decision by ensuring financial stability, resource optimization, and sustainable growth. Financial ratio analysis helps in evaluating financial health for strategic success. Key ratios for financial ratio analysis is profitability ratios, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, efficiency ratio. The purpose of financial ratio analysis: to assess financial health. Financial ratio evaluate profitability, liquidity, and solvency. This ensures accurate understanding of financial stability. It supports strategic decisions. Financial insights guide investment, budgeting, and growth decisions. Managers can make better evidence-based strategies. Improve resource allocation. रेशियो विश्लेषण वित्तीय मजबूती और कमियों को दिखाता है. इसके आधार पर संसाधनों का बेहतर उपयोग किया जा सकता है. It ensures sustainable growth. Strong financial management that supports long-term stability. Financial analysis that ensure growth is strategically sustainable. In simple formula, we can say that strong financial performance equals to strategic stability and growth. Let's move together steps to conduct internal analysis. So what you have to do: set the goal, define what you are testing, such as operational efficiency or anything else. Second, choose a framework. Select tools that you are interested, that you have to go for, like Brio or value chain analysis. Collect data, gather data through employee interviews, financial reports, and equipment assessments. Then next, go for evaluation. Feed data into chosen framework to identify strength and weakness or required. The last one, develop a strategy. Apply findings to create a competitive advantage. Use insights for this. Now there are few questions to consider for internal analysis and very helpful for your examination point of view. Please go through it. So if you want, you can pause the video at any point, take notes, see key insights of each tool, study at your own pace. Feel free to rewind and watch again whenever you need for better understanding. At last, here is a link where you can find a story based on internal analysis in strategic management, The Mirror in the Tower. This story illustrates the concepts in practical and engaging way. Please share and who really want this examination purpose. Thank you. Have a good day.